Hello, everyone. My name is Lucas. I am a boy. I am 4 years old. I live in Los Angeles. My father's name is William. He is a teacher. My mother's name is Mia. I love my family very much. I study in kindergarten A. My school name is Tiny Star School. My favorite food is burger. My favorite color is blue. I love to watch cartoon. My hobby is gardening. I like to play computer games. I have many friends, and we love to play together. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. I am a happy and kind. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.